This bulldozer company is secretly fueling the AI boom. Caterpillar's generator sales are surging because AI data centers are power-hungry monsters. Their power business is now the fastest-growing unit, up 29% this quarter. They're spending $725 million to expand production and double turbine capacity by 2030. AI needs more power than entire countries. One data center can use as much as a small city. By 2035, demand could match Japan's. The CEO calls this a structural shift, not just a cycle. The AI revolution runs on diesel and turbines, not just code. Is this boom overhyped or a sure thing? Let me know your take.